Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for prep class. Subject as English. By the end of this video, students will be able to know sequence of the letters of the alphabet, know before, after, and between. Let's get started our lesson. Dear students, are you ready? Very good. Let's start. Started our lesson. Order of alphabets. Order of alphabets. Yes, tell me the sequence of the letters. Hurry up. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the sequence of the letters of alphabets. Okay, like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, this is the sequence of the letters of the alphabet. Okay, you have to know A, B, C, D. Okay, yes, this is the question of your book. Connect the dots from A to Z. Read this question. Connect the dots from A to Z. A capital and Z capital, and here A small and here Z is small. What do you see? Color the picture. Yes, student. Here you have to connect all these letters. Okay, and you have to know the sequence of the letters. This is compulsory for you. You know, after A, which letter comes after A? B. Which letter comes after B? C. Which letter comes after C? D. Which letter comes after D? E. Yes, this is the sequence A, B, C, D, E, F. Now look how we connect the dots. Look here. You have your pencil, okay? Pick your pencil and join the dots like this. B, after A, B, then C, then D, then E, then F, then G, then H, then I, yeah, down, then I, J, then K, K, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, then R, then S, then RST, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and now connect A to A. Yes! Do you know what animal is this? What animal this is? Do you know? Yeah, this is a giraffe. Yeah, this is called giraffe. Okay, now after connecting all the dots, you have to color. Okay, color this picture. You can see this page at your book. Okay, now comes to next. What? Which letter comes before? Yes, B. Tell me, hurry up. Which letter comes before B? Tell me, hurry up. Tell the sequence of the letters. Hurry up. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Which letter comes before B? Yes, A. A comes before B. A comes before B. A comes before B. Next. Yes, tell me which letter comes before F. Read the alphabets. Letters A, B, C, D, E, F. E, F. Yes, E comes before F. 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 Okay, clear? Now see the next letter, K. Hurry up, now you tell. Which letter comes before K? Read the letters. Hurry up. Sequence of the letter. Tell me sequence of the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, J, K. It means J comes before K. J comes before K. J comes before K. J comes before K. Yeah, J comes before K. Now see the next letter, T. Yes, hurry up. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T R S T S T S T. Yes, S comes before T. S comes before T. Okay, clear before? Now comes to next topic. Which letter comes after? Which letter comes after? Now you have to tell which is the next letter. Okay, what comes next? Which letter comes after B? Yes, tell me. After B, which letter comes? A, B, C, C, B, C, C. C comes after B. Yes, C comes after B. Okay. Now K. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. K, L, K, L. L comes after K. L comes after K. L comes after K. Now O. L, M, N, O, P. O, P. P comes after O. Yes, you are right. P comes after O. P comes after O. P comes after O. See the next letter? Yes, tell me which letter comes after W. W. Yes, hurry up, tell me. Uh, R, S, T, U, V, W. X. Yes, W. X. X comes after W. X comes after W. Okay, clear? Yes, this is the page of your book. Answer the questions, write the answers on the lines. Number one, first we read which letter comes after A. Read which letter comes after A. Read which letter comes after A. Yes, tell me. Very easy. Which letter comes after A? After A? Yes. See here. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Which letter comes after A? Yes, B. You are right. B comes after A. You write here B. Yes. Clear? Now comes to next. Which first we read which letter comes after J. Read which letter comes after J. Which letter comes after J? Yes, see. Oh, I, J, K. J, K. Yes, K is the letter which comes after J. K comes after J. Yes, K comes after J. K is your answer. Okay? K is your answer. Now, which letter comes before N? Now, we here the word is before, not after. Before N. Okay? Now, see the sequence. L, M, N, O, P. Yes. O comes after N and M comes before N. Yes. M is the letter which comes before N. Yes. M comes before N. Say M comes before N. M comes before N. Okay. Now write M here. M is your answer. Now which letter comes before Q? See the sequence? N, O, P, Q, R. Yes, tell me. This is this letter after Q and this letter before Q. It means your answer is P. Yes, P comes before Q. Say P comes before Q. P comes before Q. P comes before Q. Yes, P is your answer. Okay, now number 5. Which letters come between H and J? Between, yes. This is H and this is J. This is H and this is J. This is H and this is J. This letter comes between H and J. Yeah, this letter comes between H and J. It means I. Yes, between. I comes between H and J. Say, I comes between H and J. I comes between H and J. I comes between H and J. Clear? You have to write here I. Clear? Now number 6. Which is the last letter of the alphabet? Very easy. Which is the first letter of the alphabet? A. Which is the last letter of the alphabet? C. Okay. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, Z is the last letter of the alphabet. Z is the last letter of the alphabet. Okay. Okay. Z is the last letter of the alphabet. Now comes to next question. Here are some names of people. Put the names in alphabetical order by writing 1 to 10 in the boxes. Read. Here are some names of people. Put the names in alphabetical order by writing 1 to 10 in the boxes. Here are some names of people. Put the names in alphabetical order by writing 1 to 10 in the boxes. Okay? What's your name? Hurry up, tell me. What's your name? What's your good name? Names. Yes. First, we read all these names. Amna. Read with me. Amna. Bilal. Bilal. Junaid. Junaid. Veena. Veena. Salmon. Zia. Zia. Maryam. Maryam. Farhan. Farhan. Irfan. Irfan. Parvez. Parvez. Okay. Now, student, you see, Amna starts with A. Bilal it starts with B. Junaid it starts with J. And Veena starts with V. Salmon starts with S. Zia starts with Z. Maryam starts with M. Farhan starts with F. Irfan starts with I. And Parvez starts with P. Now you have to tell which names comes first according to alphabetical order. What is the alphabetical order? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. This is the alphabetical order. A, then B, then C, then D. Okay. Amna starts with A. A comes first. You have to put 1 here. Okay. You have to write 1 here because Amna comes first. Okay. Amna starts with A and A is the first letter. First letter. Okay. You write 1 here. Then which letter comes after A? C. Yes, B. A, B. Bilal. After Amna, Bilal. Yes, B comes after A. You write here 2. Yes. Now which letters find? A, B, C. No, there is no name with C letter. C. After C, D. No D. E. No E. F. Yes, Farhan. Farhan starts with F. F is next letter here. F is the next letter. Farhan is the next name. Okay, you write 3 here. Then F, G, G, no G, H, no H, G, H, I. Yes, I. Irfan is, it starts with I. You write here 4. Okay, Amna, then Bilal, then Farhan, then Irfan. G, H, I, J. Where is J? Find. No J. K. No K. L. No L. M. M. Yes. L. M. M. Maryam. Yes. Maryam is the 5th name here. Sorry. No Maryam. I. G. H. I. J. J. J is the next letter. Sorry. Junaid. Junaid. After I, J. Junaid is the 5th name. Okay. Then J, I, J, K, L, M. M. Yes. Maryam is starts with M. M is Maryam is the 6th name. Then find L, M, N, no N, no N, O, no O, P. Yes, P. L, M, N, O, P. P. Parvez. Parvez is the 7th name here. Yes, after Parvez, LMNOPQ. No Q. You can see here Z, V, S, no Q. Q, R, no R, S. Yes, Salmon. Salmon is the 8th name. Yes, 8th name. Then T, no T, U, no U, V. Yes, Veena. V, 9th. Veena is the 9th name in order. Okay. Then the last Zia. Okay, Z is the last letter, okay, of the alphabet. Hopefully you have done. Now talking to your parents, guidelines for parents, make sure that the child knows sequence of the letters of the alphabet. आप इस बात को यकीनी बनाएंगे कि बच्चा जो है लेटर्स का जो सीक्वेंस है यानी कि ऑर्डर है A to Z तक उसको वो जानता हो और उससे आप सुने उसको और उसको कम्स और आफ्टर की भी प्रैक्टिस करवाएं. Ask the child to do all these pages 5, 6 and 7 in good handwriting. Formation of the letters should be correct while writing. Which letter comes before and which letter comes after? इसकी प्रैक्टिस भी बच्चे को करवाएं वर्बल में ज़ुबानी पूछें और वो आपको बताएं और फिर जो प्रैक्टिस में जो पेजेस में बुक के अंदर दिए मैं उसको उससे सॉल्व करवाएं. जज़ाकल्लाह. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जज़ाकल्लाह. सलाम.